Hi everyone, a new video for you today, and we thought we'd start off in my mum's garden. Alhamdulillah, we've had a lot of plums growing on our tree this year, so we thought we'd start putting them to use and making a plum Satni. If you've got any growing yourself, this is a great way to put them to use, and if not, you can use store-bought ones as well. We're just starting off here by cutting into the plums, going all the way around and then pitting them, much like you would an avocado. Now let's take a quick look at the ingredients you're going to need today. We used about 150 grams of sugar, 8 garlic cloves, some salt, turmeric, chilli, and of course your plums. You'll also need some oil. Start by adding a generous amount of oil to a pan on high heat. Add in your garlic and stir, waiting for them to brown. Once they're sizzling away, grab your plums and start adding them in. Give that all a stir to make sure everything's mixed together. Now let's start seasoning. We're going to start with salt. We use about 2 teaspoons, but we're quite heavy-handed with the salt. Use as much as you would like to your taste. Now grab your chilli powder. We used about a tablespoon, but again, use as much or as little as you'd like. And lastly, we're going to add some turmeric. We used about half a tablespoon here. Now give everything a stir. It's time we sweeten up this Satni, so we're going to add in our 150 grams of sugar. Now, same thing again, you can add more sugar to make it a sweeter Satni, or you can add less to make it a more sour, tangy Satni. We're going to dial it back to a medium heat now and just leave it to simmer away for about 10 minutes. And you should end up with a beautiful looking Satni like this. And that's it, quick and easy. You can eat this by itself or as a side. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you've enjoyed.